Yo, welcome back to another amazing tutorial on crafting a modern login UI page. Today we are diving into the creation of slick login interface featuring essential text fields for emails and passwords and topped off with a standout login button. So these tutorials come directly from your request, and if you eager for more details on enhancing this login page or exploring additional features, don't hesitate to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's jump right into our project. Now, as usual, we are in our main.dart file, and in my main function, run app, my app, and returning a material app, and a debug show check mode banner. So I have already made my homepage.dart file, and let's return homepage.dart file as a homepage. Nice. Let's restart the app. That's great. We can see the homepage scaffold. So let's make a new package of component and make a new file within a components of frosted glass dot. So we make a modern login UI. So first we have to import a material.io package and then a stateless widget returning a frosted glass, and there is container and width set as the width and height that's set as to the height. So we have defined as it's a constructor. So let's decorate our container with a box decoration, and box decoration have a property of color. So let's set colors to amber and border. So border dot all of width 1, and let's set the colors to colors dot white. That's nice. So now let's define these the width and the height as final, double, and the width. Let's copy this and paste it this over here and over here. So we simply define this to the height, and this is final double the child. Like let me write the child. That's great. So let's import this so we can use this as our constructors. That's great. So the child set as a stack. This stack have a multiple childrens, and this tag is used to overlay widgets on widgets on top of each other. Now to see what we have in our screen, so let's return a frosted glass in body of homepage.dart file, and let's return these constructors and parameters of it. So let's set the height to 480.0, it's it a double, and width also 450.0, it is also double, and the child, so we can return a child. So this is a column, and column have multiple childrens. I hope that you will have knowledge about columns. Now there is an error. The argument type column cannot be assigned to parameter type double. So we have to return this double to a widget. That's nice. Let's restart. So we can see our container. Let's return these colors to transparent and restart the app, so we can see that we uh, cannot see anything. Anyways, let's drop a backdrop filter. So this have our parameter of filter and image filter dot blur. Let's import this package and format this code. So now return a sigma x of 4.0 and sigma y of also 4.0. That's nice. So let me return a child of container within a backdrop filter, and let me return a container here, and let me copy this decoration code and paste it over here. Now let me change this transparent to amber color, and now let's change this code. Wait a minute, like this. So nice. So let's restart the app. Now border radius and border radius dot circular of 30.0 and border dot all of colors dot like white dot opacity with opacity, and let me return the opacity value of 1.0. Nice. And gradient, linear gradient, a linear gradient must have a list of colors. Nice. and let me return there begin and alignment dot like top left and alignment dot bottom right, and let me return the list of colors here. So colors dot black with opacity 0.005. Copy this and paste it over here, and let me change only the opacity of this color to 0.25 and let me restart the app. So now you can see, to see what we have to do, let me change these colors to transparent. Nice. And restart the app. That's great. So we can see a glass, a transparent glass. Nice. So now let me return a center and a child and the child parameter. So let's restart the app and wrap this container with a widget, a clip or react, and let me return a border radius and border radius dot circular 30.0, and also make our frosted glass responsive. Let me return or wrap it with the expanded widget. That's great. So let's get to our homepage.dart file and let me wrap this with a column widget or stack. So we use stack over here. Nice. So as for now, I already make directly of assets and image, and I have a image. So let's go to perspect.yaml file and set assets to assets slash images slash, and you can see the assets of images, and let's again go to directly of assets images, and I have an image and set the name of image as image3.jpg. So let's make a container and a decoration and a box decoration and image, a decoration image. So we have to set an assets for image. So we have already set an assets. So in this decoration image we have to set asset image and define the path for image. So the first directly is assets slash then images. So write images and then finally my image. So let's write image3.jpg. That's nice. And put a const over here. Let me fit to box fit dot cover. Nice. And also another property of filter quality dot high. Sweet. So let me restart the app, and now you can see our frosted glass and asset image. So it's so our UI looking very sweet. So for now we have to make an outline button. So outline button. So this button have a on press function and then a child property or returning a child. So let me return child to a text of sign up and some styling to text. So text style colors dot purple accent and font size set to 15. So let me wrap it with a padding widget. To see the outline button, let me wrap it with align property and alignment dot center. So it's align our frosted glass to the center of screen. Nice. So let me some styling to this outline button. So style and button style. Now in button style, property of side, and side leads to material state property dot all. So let's set this border side and colors dot purple accent, and let me put a const over here and restart the app. This property colors the outline border of outline button, and let me wrap it this with a padding widget of 20. Nice. So now a container within a column. So let me copy this and paste it over here. Nice. And let me change this color to colors dot purple accent and border radius dot circular to 10.0 and a comma. Nice. So there is a property of margin. So edge inserts dot only left from 340 and bottom from 20. Let me restart the app. Nice. So we can see a container of width 50 and height 50 also. So there is a icon button within a container and set icon and icons dot close. and color to colors dot white, putting a const over here, and let me restart the app. So now you can see there is a close icon or close icon button within a container. So now let me copy this text and paste it over here and change this sign up from to login and change some text style to colors dot gray of shade like 100 and font weight dot bold, and let me increase this font size to 40. Nice. And a size box of height of 10. So let me restart the app and copy this and paste it over here so we can see the login text over the frosted glass, and let me change this text to welcome back, login to continue, and cut this font weight and restart the app. Nice. And now a text field, and text field have a property of decoration, input decoration. So input decoration have a field color which set as to transparent and hint text. So this is email at the rate gmail.com. So I randomly write this hint text and field color which is true and hint style. So hint style, let me set this font size to 15 and colors dot gray and helper text. So let me copy this and paste it over here and change these colors to white. Helper style. So nice. And a property of text style, and copy this and paste it over here and restart the app. So let me wrap it this with a padding widget. Nice. And copy this and paste it over here. Nice. And let me change this to password. And a very important property is obscure text which set to true. Nice. Let me restart the app so now you can see. So let me correct one thing, that we do not use this hyper style. So let me remove this. So this is unnecessary code. Nice. And let me change this font size to 20 and restart the app. This looking sweet. If you eager for more details on enhancing this login page or exploring additional features, don't hesitate to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. So now let's make a new file for elevated button. So let me set this to buttons.dart and let me copy this package and paste it over here and a stateless widget of button and returning a elevated button. So this elevated button have a function of on pressed and a child property. So let me return child as a text. So this text is login and let me copy this and paste it over here and this style text style and colors of white and font size of 20 and let me restart the app. So we cannot see anything because we have to return a button in the home page and let me import this package. Nice. So now you can see a small elevated button. So let me copy one thing from outline button and paste it over here. So I am a lazy programmer, so I don't want to write this same text or same code again and again. That's why I copy from outline button and let me change this to a minimum size and copy this material state property and dot all and let me return this to minimum size. So the size is 40 and 60. Nice. Now let's cut this side code and let me arrange one thing this text within a elevated button and then remove this parenthesis. Nice. So let me restart and we cannot see anything because we have to return a background color and copy this to dot all and color property colors dot purple and now we can see a small button. So let me wrap elevated button with a expanded widget. Nice. And let restart the app. Oops. So this is not over elevated button. To correct the elevated button, we have to wrap it with a row, and row have a main property of main axis alignment. Main axis alignment dot center. Let me put a const over here and restart the app. So now you can see over elevated button. Nice. And let me change this color to purple. This tutorial is based on popular demand, and if you are interested to explore more details or have specific questions about enhancing this login page, feel free to share your ideas and thoughts in the comment section. Now I hope you will like this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like, comment and subscribe to this channel. I will catch you in the next one.